Hi, this is the help video for PowerPoint Chapter 3, Pause and Practice 1. We're picking up on step number 7, where we're animating the contents of some slides. So just to review, transitions happen between slides, like how one slide leaves and the other slide comes onto the screen. Animation occurs with objects within a screen. So right here is a chart. This table 3.3 is what we're going to animate. So the first thing we want to do is select slide 4. And we're going to move to this animation tab. So two objects are to be animated on this slide: the down arrow and the possible body sequence text. So I'm going to use my control key to select both of those. And you can see the handles around both objects. And so down arrow and text box. We're going to animate. So right here, just like with transitions, we're going to open up the gallery and we're going to find wipe. And honestly, half the battle is finding what you're going to do. But notice on animation, it's broken into entrance, emphasis, and exit. So these are things about how something is animated onto the screen, off the screen, and then emphasis is while it's on there. You can turn or get larger, change color, those type of things. So we're going to wipe as an entrance for those two things. The effect option is going to be from top, and I want to start it on click. The duration is going to be 2 seconds, and then no delay. Okay, so if I wanted to preview this, I could just click on preview. I did not have to click in preview, but when you're running it for real, you would have to click in order for these objects to come. All right, so step 5, slide 5, the first impression text, and we want to do wave. So that's an emphasis. So we're going to find wave in here. And we want to do it by paragraph, after previous. So that means you wouldn't click. It would just happen after the other objects came on. And a half of a second and no delay. So now we're going to go to 7. We want this quoted text. We're going to bounce it in. So entrance, we're going to find bounce. And as one object, after previous, and 2 seconds and 1 second delay. Step number 8, the road picture. So while this picture, we're going to have it come in, grow and turn. Notice it's grayed out. We can't do any effects options with that. After previous, 2 seconds, and a 1 second delay. All right, last one, 14, the heart. We're going to click on the heart. We're going to spin it. Spin. We want to spin it clockwise, 2 spins, and with previous, 2 seconds, and no delay is none. All right, I'm going to take a second and save that. So we want to insert a new blank slide after 14. So I'm sitting on 14. I'm just going to go home and a new blank slide. So new slide, blank. All right, so on this slide, I am going to put in a video. So we're going to go to YouTube and look for, so I went to a browser and I typed YouTube. what I'm going to search for is presentation skills. So it's going to come up with some presentation videos. So if I look at this, find an appropriate video. While the video is displayed, copy the URL from the address bar. Insert. Okay, so we're going to go back to YouTube. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to pause it because I don't need to do that. So right here, I'm going to select the address for this How to Give a Great Presentation. So I'm going to copy it. So now I have the URL copied. So now we're going to go back to PowerPoint, slide 15. We want to insert media, video, online video, and then we're going to paste in that URL. We're going to select Insert, and the video appears. So now we're going to adjust the size. So we're going to make the width 7 inches. And we're going to apply a drop shadow. So we're going to come up here to Styles. And, okay, last one in the subtle. Then we're going to select Align, Align Center, Align Middle, and then we're going to put a text box below it. So we're going to insert, shape, text box right down here, and we're going to paste in the URL. So all I did was do another Control V. All right, so let's go ahead and take a second to save it. Play back, play, and see if it comes up. First time it might take it. There we go.
Hey, practitioner.
All right, so take a minute to save your file, and we are done with 3.1. All right, thank you.